I love doing my nails, pedicures. Well, not even just nails. I'm a DIY girly, okay? If I can do it myself, I'm gonna do it myself. Hair, nails, eyelashes. So I'm slowly rebuilding my collection, and this is my collection, okay? Everything just kind of, I've organized it as best as humanly possible. Everything is everywhere. I just bought this and it came earlier this week, like day before yesterday, and this is just a little book to put all of my nail stickers in, and I just thought it was so genius. I bought pretty much all of these stickers through Temu, but they had like really good stuff. Like, I love Adventure Time. They had, I bought Halloween stickers and already started on my Christmas stickers. Look at that, it's so cute. I got this little drawer because I have a bunch of nail chromes. I bought a bunch of these nail chromes and I already started playing with them to see how they look. I just don't like how they're all just, yeah, not cute, not aesthetic. I can't see what they look like. I thought it would be a good idea to put the nail chrome in here and the tester nail, and that way I can just always see what it looks like. It's not big enough to put the little sponge in, but that's okay. I don't really care about that. But I just like that I can see the chrome and what they look like. I got this because I'm having an issue with my nail brushes. I store all of my nail brushes and stuff in this little mason jar, but the issue is that my nail brushes are double-sided. I'm really terrible and lose these quite easily because it can roll off the table. Don't know where it is after that. And look at this. I already have a brush that frayed on me. And it's not fun because I really liked this brush and it already frayed, and the only way to fix it is I'm gonna have to cut it, but I already liked it before I ruined it. I got a new set of brushes as well. So I'm gonna put my double-sided, I'm gonna put all of my brushes in here, my double-sided and my new brushes, because I was really upset I messed up that one. So I got another set of brushes because I really liked that one. It wasn't too long, wasn't too short. So I got another set of gel art brushes, and pretty much these are not double-sided other than this little dotting tool right here. Yeah, I really like these brushes, and on top of that, half of my makeup brushes I'm pretty sure are at my sister's, and the other half they broke when I throw them in this little glass mason jar. I'm pretty sure they just cracked over time, and so I have some that are like completely cracked, and this is supposed to be a dual side. Yeah. I even put a little cotton round right here so it'll help with the impact. Over time, I've ruined my brushes, and now I have something that's going to help me and I not break my brushes. Next, I got this nail glue. A lot of times when I get this like motivation to do nails, I'm like, I do my nails, I'm like, oh my gosh, I love them, but while they're still a fresh set, I think of another idea and I get so impatient and I start picking off the existing set, or I want to create a new set like press-ons while I have a fresh set on. I got this new nail glue, and this is from Glamnetic, the company that makes all the really cute press-ons in store, online. They make really adorable press-ons. So I want to work on building my own press-ons again, and I used to do it, but again, didn't have my stuff. So I got a new nail glue so I can start working on really cute designs. I already have a design in mind that I'm gonna try to work on this week, and then I have another design that I'm like really excited about. So I have a couple designs brewing in my brain, but I'm trying to rebuild my set. I haven't had time, and I haven't had the set up to do the press-ons as well. So speaking of press-ons, this is another thing I got for my press-ons. This is a nail glue remover. When I build press-ons, I love the design and I hate having to cut them off and completely ruin it. I have a little glass jar of my favorite sets, and I want to continue doing that, and I can't do it when I have my press-ons. So I got a nail glue remover so I can easily just remove my favorite nail from the set, and it's just like a memory thing. I just love looking back and like looking at my past designs and getting inspiration, or a design that I just never finished and may have done like one nail. What'd you make?
Green.
Green?
Hi, I feel green. This is red office. Green up, bleed up, blue.
Oh, that's really good, man. I kept looking in the viewfinder thinking I looked off and I was wearing my transition sunglasses in the house. So I switched my glasses. So let's continue this. I have always seen adorable like 3D kawaii inspired gel sets and I've always wanted to do it, but I never had the right gel to do it. I finally got it. This is a building gel. So this is what people use to get that 3D nail look where they have like a cute little character. I'm really excited to try this again. Sorry, you can see. Look at my nail. This just happened, so let's ignore that. I don't feel like stopping this to cut it, file it, etc. But anyways, now that I'm talking about how I don't have my stuff to make press-ons, this is one of the last things that I needed to make my press-ons. I'm gonna open this package, but one of the reasons why I like making press-ons as well because I'm a stay-at-home mom and my son, he's on the spectrum and I have to keep eyes on him at all times and I just don't have hours at a time to sit down and do my nails. It can take like 3-4 hours without the even longer having to like stop what I'm doing, go check on him, go help him, or do this and do that. So I just don't have the hours to sit in one session to do my nails. So I really like to do press-ons so where I can just kind of like stop at any point and continue the set at any point. And that's really like my version of self-care is doing my nails. I love being creative and I love doing my nails. Picking this is terrible, but I'm like picking at my nail. Anxious thing, too much caffeine today. I'm really tired. My eyes are so red. And like the combination of being tired, eyes red, and combination of like hyper, too much energy. Okay, anyways, so I got this Macart nail stand and I'm really excited about this because the one I had was like a hand-me-down. It was from my sister. I did purchase one. It's at my sister's, but that one wasn't great anyways. The magnet wasn't that strong. With a little bit of pressure, it would just, the magnet, the little stand would fall off the magnet very, very easily. I bought the Macart nail art display stand so I can work on press-ons, and I just thought this was really, really cute because you have just one little tray. I mean, really that's all I need right now. And I got it because I really needed something like this. I like to put something separate on this because when I'm working on the nail, you know, I might accidentally just knock another one off, and I've done that plenty of times and just not too fun, to be honest. But with this, I could just hold it and I can design the nail, and it just, honestly, it's really cute and aesthetic as well. So I'm very happy with that. I got this for Prime Day, and this is a rubber base clear gel coat. Sometimes I want to do my own natural nails, and whenever I do my natural nails, because my nails are very, they're not strong. They're my girl. Did you just? Yeah, you just farted. Our dog just farted. Anyways, sometimes it's just. Sometimes I want to do my own natural nails, and because my nails are a bit flexible, it chips very, very easily, even with the best prep, the best everything I can do. Like, I do the base, the gels, the everything I can possibly do, but there's nothing you can do if, you know, your nail plates are very soft and the gel is hard. I heard that rubber-based gel helps when your nails get a little bendy and it prevents it from chipping off. So I'm hoping this will work for the moment I want to do my natural nails, because sometimes I just want to do like a quick little one color on my nails so I don't look like this, which my nails are decent right now. I mean, obviously this just broke, but sometimes I just want to do my own natural nails with a pretty color and no designs, and I got this for that. That is my haul. I know I've been rambling a lot. Next up, I'm going to do everything I got for Prime Day, because I pretty much got everything I ordered for Prime Day except for one thing, and that one's not that big of a deal anyways. So next we're going to do everything I got for Prime Day. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.